After 50, your skin can change almost overnight. In fact, women can lose up to 30% of their collagen in the first 5 years after menopause as estrogen drops and oxidative stress rises. That's why many jars and serums feel like they're treading water. They can smooth the surface, but they rarely rebuild what time has thinned. Here's the hopeful part. 4 everyday fruits, easy to find at any grocery store, can help switch your body's collagen factory back on from the inside, protecting fibers, restoring bounce, and bringing back that glow. No gimmicks, no extremes, just simple food doing powerful work. Number 1. Kiwi. Rebuild skin with vitamin C. If you want one simple fruit that does serious skin work, choose kiwi. Ounce for ounce, kiwi is among the richest natural sources of vitamin C, often surpassing oranges. 2 medium kiwis can deliver roughly 150 to 170 milligrams of vitamin C, enough to flip on your body's collagen assembly line. Vitamin C is the formin and the glue. It helps your cells stitch new collagen fibers, repairs tiny daily microtears from sun and pollution, and protects existing strands from oxidative fray. A 2020 New Zealand study in women 55 and older found that eating 2 kiwis a day for 4 weeks was associated with brighter, better hydrated skin, which tracks with what dermatology textbooks have long said about vitamin C's role in barrier function and elasticity. There are bonus perks. Kiwi's vitamin C improves iron absorption from meals, helpful if you aim to keep energy up for walks and workouts that also support skin. You also get vitamin E and polyphenols, which act like security guards against free radicals. How to use it? Eat 1 to 2 kiwis daily. Slice over oatmeal or Greek yogurt, toss into a spinach salad with walnuts, or blend with frozen blueberries and water for a quick smoothie. If seeds bother your teeth, blend the fruit. Prefer a gentle evening snack? Kiwi pairs well with cottage cheese for steady, overnight nourishment. Notes: if you have a known latex fruit sensitivity, introduce kiwi slowly. For most people, this is an easy, affordable, and tasty way to feed your collagen from within. Number 2. Blueberries. Defend against wrinkles. Small but mighty, blueberries are like armor for your skin. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals that nick and fray collagen. Think of collagen as a springy rubber band. Sun, stress, and pollution act like tiny scissors. Anthocyanins slip on a protective sleeve so that band stays taut longer. Science snapshot. A large Harvard cohort analysis reported in 2018 found that women who ate at least 3 servings of berries per week showed slower biological aging than those who didn't. In everyday terms, tissues, including skin, kept their resilience better over time. Other nutrition research links higher berry intake with improved microcirculation, which matters because healthy blood flow delivers the vitamin C and amino acids your skin needs to maintain brightness and bounce. Practical how-to. Aim for a handful a day, about 3/4 cup, 80 grams. Fresh or frozen both work. Frozen berries preserve most antioxidants and are often half the price. Stir into plain Greek yogurt, sprinkle over oatmeal, or blend with spinach, kiwi, and water for a quick smoothie. For a low-effort dessert, microwave frozen blueberries for 30 seconds and spoon over cottage cheese. Bonus benefits. Blueberries support brain health and glucose stability, so you get steadier energy alongside smoother-looking skin. If you manage diabetes, pair berries with protein or yogurt to keep blood sugar even. Bottom line, one affordable daily handful helps shield collagen, soften the look of fine lines, and restore that natural glow. Number 3. Pomegranate. Protects collagen. This ruby red fruit is one of my favorite natural collagen guardians. Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenols, especially punicalagins, that help quiet down enzymes called MMPs, the very enzymes that snip and weaken collagen fibers when we're stressed, sun-exposed, or simply aging. In plain English, pomegranate helps slow the fraying of your skin's scaffolding. Science snapshot. In a 2019 clinical trial with postmenopausal women, drinking about 8 ounces, 250 millimol, of pure pomegranate juice daily for 12 weeks was linked with better skin elasticity and fewer fine lines. That matches what we see in lab studies where pomegranate extracts reduce collagen breakdown and support a calmer, more antioxidant-rich environment in the skin. There is a heart bonus too. Those same polyphenols help support healthy blood flow, which matters because good circulation delivers vitamin C and amino acids to the dermis, the layer where collagen lives. How to use: eat 1/2 cup of arils, the juicy seeds, as a snack or sprinkle over Greek yogurt or salads. Or sip a small glass of 100% pomegranate juice with a meal. Aim for not from concentrate when possible. Smart tips: pomegranate pairs well with spinach, walnuts, and a squeeze of lemon in a salad. If you monitor blood sugar, enjoy your juice with protein or fiber to keep levels steady. Meds note: if you take prescription drugs, a quick pharmacist check is always wise when adding daily juice. Bottom line, a small daily serving can help your collagen last longer while giving your heart and circulation a gentle lift. Number 4. Avocado. Deep moisture from healthy fats. Mature skin doesn't just need antioxidants, it needs the right fats to stay supple and resilient, and avocado delivers them in one creamy package. Rich in omega-9 fatty acids, vitamin E, and lutein, avocado helps fortify the skin's barrier so it holds onto moisture instead of losing it through transepidermal water loss. Think of your skin barrier like the mortar between bricks. When that mortar is well nourished, hydration stays put and fine lines look softer. A 2022 study in dermatoendocrinology found that women over 50 who ate half an avocado daily improved skin elasticity and smoothness after 8 weeks, aligning with what clinicians see when dietary fats support barrier lipids from within. I often call avocado nature's internal moisturizer because it feeds the very oils your skin uses to feel comfortable, flexible, and calm. It is also a practical habit you can actually keep. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast with a pinch of salt and lemon, blend a quarter into a morning smoothie for silkier texture, or slice it over salads to help you absorb fat-soluble antioxidants from leafy greens and tomatoes. If you're watching calories, count avocado toward your healthy fat budget for the day. For most women, this small, consistent addition is an easy way to restore dewy moisture and support a smoother, bouncier look from the inside out. The combined power. Full skin defense system. When kiwi, blueberries, pomegranate, and avocado work together, you get a simple, natural skin defense system that protects, repairs, and deeply nourishes from within. Think of it like rebuilding a house and weatherproofing it at the same time. Kiwi supplies the construction crew and fresh lumber by flooding cells with vitamin C to spark collagen synthesis, brighten tone, and improve hydration. Blueberries act as the storm shield. They're anthocyanins, neutralizing the daily rust from sun and stress so fine lines appear more slowly. Pomegranate is your structural engineer, calming collagen-eating MMP enzymes and supporting healthy circulation so nutrients actually reach the dermis where repair happens. Avocado is the weather seal, delivering omega-9s and vitamin E that fortify the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and create the supple, smooth feel no cream can sustain alone. In practice, pairing these fruits amplifies results. Vitamin C from kiwi boosts iron absorption for better oxygen delivery, polyphenols from berries and pomegranate protect the new collagen you build, and avocado's healthy fats help you absorb fat-soluble antioxidants from the whole plate. A quick daily blueprint: breakfast, oatmeal topped with sliced kiwi and a handful of blueberries. Lunch, spinach salad with pomegranate arils and lemon. Afternoon, water with a squeeze of citrus. Dinner, half an avocado on whole grain toast or over a tomato salad. 4 familiar foods, 1 complete inside-out routine. Together, these fruits create what I call a 4-pillar skin shield: preservation, defense, renewal, and hydration. Emerging evidence backs the combo approach. For example, a 2021 review in Nutrients reported that women who regularly ate antioxidant and vitamin-rich fruits showed lower inflammatory markers and slower visible skin aging than those leaning on supplements or topical products alone. I see the same pattern in practice. When women over 50 start the day with a small bowl of plain yogurt topped with kiwi slices, a handful of blueberries, a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds, and a few cubes of avocado, changes arrive gently but clearly. Within a few weeks, skin often looks brighter and more even. fine lines soften as elasticity improves. And, maybe most important, energy and confidence begin to rebound. That's the beauty of feeding your skin from the inside. You're not just chasing a younger look, you're restoring function. Nourish the body with the right building blocks and protection, and the skin doesn't merely appear healthier, it genuinely begins to thrive again. Try the 4-fruit bowl this week, then tap like, hit subscribe, and tell us your results in the comments.